Hey there everybody, this is Dorian over here at Byrider on 27th Street. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on one of my favorite cars that we've currently had on the lot as of late. This is the 2015 Chrysler 200. This is a really nice car. They no longer produce this model, but you can see it's a very sleek car. It's kind of like a sports car build, but with a 4-door. It does come with a push start, and it can turn on from the key fob as well. As you can see, these cars are very nice. They come with backup cameras. They have leather interior. You can see they also have very nice switches of how they have everything set up over here. Comes with really nice cruise control and voice control settings as well. You can see all of that in this area. Very good cruise control. As you can hear, it also comes connected with a very nice sound system. That's an Alpine sound system, if you're not familiar. Yeah, these are just really nice cars. They don't make them anymore, but this is definitely something that if you're able to get your hands on, you definitely be very happy with. So come out and check us out on 27th Street, Byrider. That's 4810 South 27th Street, and come check out some cars. Thank you, bye.